Good morning, everyone. My name is Anne-Marie Band. Today is Friday, December the 2nd, and this is the Moneyball Morning Report for the Benzinga Pro platform. We just got a jobs number, and the market does not like it. This is non-farm payroll, and we continue to slide, but I think we're coming into relative support zone. So the question is, what do? Do you want to catch the falling knife here? Or do you want to wait for price action to lift? My thought is always, if you really think a level is important, the first thing to do is, of course, identify that level, which I think is right here, right? And then you want to go to a tight time frame and watch it hold, right? So right now we're looking at a 5-minute chart. This 5-minute candlestick still has not completed, still got 1 minute or so left to go. But if it holds that and it begins to print another candlestick above this low, you've got a shot. I think this is a buy zone here because I believe the traders are going to try and duke it out. Now, the low is sitting all the way down to 4,006. So although I think it's a buy zone, I might not just go right out and buy there. Actually, I wouldn't, right? I want to be more cautious than that. So truthfully, I go down to a 2-minute and see how well it's stabilizing, right? What's the first thing I want to do? I want to stop heading lower. Well, that's this candlestick here. The next thing I want to do is break the prior resistance. That hasn't happened yet. And we're looking at a 2-minute chart. So nothing's telling me, hey, you can buy that. Nothing's telling me that. However, my gut says that that is very likely placed because I have it marked on the chart and we get these from big monthly levels. And so what I would be looking for is to position along right down here on this edge after the candle, right? I either take it here as it breaks out to the top and have a wider stop, so it goes smaller size, or I would wait for it here and then have my stop here. When I'm on a tight action, I'm looking for a bounce, I could get chopped up just a little bit, right? And so you want your size to be small when you're getting in right there on the bottom. And hey, listen, if you decide you're going to buy and it can't get up above here post-haste, that's the wrong side of the trade. It's still got some more downside action. But notice what we have is a diminishing of volume in this area. And so it's probably going to chop around here for a little bit. But jobs numbers, savage to the downside, but it's a good place for a bounce. I think those of you that are looking at event contracts, that is really going to be something that we look at and say, hey, that might work. Now, wow, that's a lot, but that's from yesterday. So let's go to a 30-minute chart and take a look at what we're looking at today. Where is the SPY right now? It's at 401. Beauty. Oh, our options are going to look so good today. They're going to look fantastic. But look at where we're caught. Between here and here, where these heat maps are, we could slide a little more. For us, we're in fantastic shape. I absolutely love it when a plan comes together. All right, that's a movie line. I stole it, absolutely. Here's what we want to look for. Pullbacks are still buy zones. This market is in a bullish fever on seasonality. So as it sits here, you watch it stabilize, and then you're in good shape. All right, for the Qs, let's see what we've got going on. Same sort of thing. The Qs are sitting at 287.13 right in here. So they are going to battle, right? Let them battle, but know that this is the line and the storyboard is the same. 1, I fail to close lower. 2, I breach my level of resistance. And 3, I pull back and I make a higher low. That's all there is to that, all right? And if it doesn't break your resistance edge, guess what? You got to get out. But that's the way to play today. Good luck, everyone. Take care.